Before you get on the gym for using a paper plate, it is a compostable paper plate. So that way, even though, yeah, it is a paper product, at least it's compostable. Doesn't get thrown into a landfill somewhere. Saturday afternoon, where Jim's at, 3:51. Eating some toast as a snack. Jim has a little hack he's been doing. Instead of eating chips lately, he has been buying romaine hearts. They are crunchy, crispy, and so I will take a stalk of them and take them into the TV room with me and eat on them like I would chips. It's a little bit of a healthy alternative, Jim feels like. Jim's health is, well, I don't know if deteriorating is the right word, but anyway, Jim's diet doesn't help his health, so he's trying to eat a little bit healthier. Don't know how successful I'm being, but replacing fried chips with romaine hearts seemed like one of the smallest things I could do, so I'm hoping that does help. Anyway, there's Jim's toast. Hope you guys have a good day, good evening, good night, good afternoon, or whatever it is where you're at. A little bit of a quick Jim Cooks video for you. That was what Jim calls toast with butter. And so enjoy the recipe, and you guys have fun.